Hey guys, it looks like we may have something going on over here. I seen Officer Williams and I believe it's Officer Losey too in the black GMC. Go over here and see what we got going on, guys. Over here on First Avenue, guys, just right across the tracks on a melee. There's somebody. There's somebody over there. Hey, there's somebody over there, dude. Are you guys looking for somebody?
No, somebody called that their dogs got out, so we're trying to help wrangle them up for them.
Oh, because I heard somebody talking back over this way.
Yeah, they live over here in this area.
Oh,
Got
okay.
the little dog and like a brown boxer looking.
Oh, okay.
So if you see them, one went over there on East Grand.
Alrighty.
Little guy.
Okie dokie.
So
Alright, man.
nothing too big.
Yeah, I just seen you guys over here, so.
Yeah, we're trying to help wrangle these dogs.
Alright, man. Good to see you out, man.
Yeah.
Alright, stay safe.